Go fast or go far. The truth nobody tells you. Wait. Before you scroll away, listen to this. You might not be behind. You might simply be moving at a pace that nobody else can understand. Look around you. Someone is getting promoted. Someone is making more money. Someone is buying a house. Someone is traveling the world. Someone your age seems to have everything figured out. And you, maybe you're still trying to figure out your next step. Maybe you've been working hard for months, but nothing seems to change. And deep inside, you're asking yourself, why am I moving so slowly? But what if I told you, slow does not mean lost, and fast does not always mean successful. Some people run quickly because they know exactly where they're going. Others run quickly because they're afraid of being left behind. And there's a huge difference. So today, I want you to remember one powerful question. Do you want to go fast or do you want to go far? Because sometimes the person who runs the fastest is the person who gets tired first. But the person who keeps walking can eventually reach places the runner never will. Think about your life. Maybe you're learning a skill. Maybe you're building a career. Maybe you're starting a business. Maybe you're trying to become a better version of yourself. And maybe your progress feels painfully slow. But remember this, a seed does not become a tree because you shout at it to grow faster. It grows because someone keeps giving it water, day after day, even when nothing seems to be happening. Your life works the same way. You don't need to transform overnight. You need to keep showing up, one day, one decision, one habit, one small step at a time. Because success is rarely built in one dramatic moment. It is built in thousands of ordinary moments that nobody sees. The early mornings, the late nights, the failures, the rejection, the days when you wanted to quit but didn't. Those moments are your roots. And just like the roots of a tree, people may never see them, but one day they will see how strong you have become. So stop asking, why am I not there yet? Instead, ask, am I still moving forward? If the answer is yes, then keep going. You don't have to catch up with everyone. You don't have to prove your worth. You don't have to live according to somebody else's timeline. Your journey is different. Your starting point is different. Your challenges are different. And your destination may be completely different from theirs. So don't destroy your peace trying to match someone else's speed. Go at your own pace. If you need to walk, walk. If you need to rest, rest. If you fall, get back up. But whatever you do, don't give up. Because the greatest danger isn't moving slowly. The greatest danger is stopping completely. One day, you may look back and realize something incredible. The years when you thought you were falling behind were actually the years when you were building yourself. You were becoming stronger. You were becoming wiser. You were learning patience. You were learning discipline. You were learning how to keep going without applause. And that is a kind of success that nobody can take away from you. So if you're listening to this right now and you feel behind in life, take a breath. You are not late. You are not finished. You are not a failure. You're still on the way. And sometimes the longest journeys create the strongest people. So don't worry about going faster than everyone else. Don't worry about who is ahead of you. Don't worry about how long it takes. Just make sure that tomorrow you're one step further than you were today. Because you don't need to win someone else's race. You only need to finish your own. Go slow if you have to. Go carefully. Go quietly. But keep going. Because the goal isn't always to go fast. The goal is to go far. Thank you for listening. I truly appreciate you spending these few minutes with me. I hope you remember this message whenever you feel like you're falling behind. Keep believing in yourself. Keep taking small steps. Keep moving forward, even when nobody notices. And I wish you patience for the journey, strength for the difficult days, and courage to keep going when the road feels long. Don't rush your life. Don't compare your journey. Just keep moving. One day, you'll look back and be proud that you never stopped. Go at your own pace and go farther than you ever imagined. Take care, stay strong, and I wish you a beautiful day ahead.